How to pin a message in Telegram. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. The first thing is you need to log into your Telegram account like this. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the various chat box and others in your left hand side. So in order to pin a message, first of all you need to select and open the chat of the person in which you want to pin the message. Once you open, you'll be able to see your conversations. So if you are using a PC and want to pin a message, then you need to place the cursor in the message and right click on your laptop, and here there will be option for pin. You have to simply click on that and this pop-up will appear on your screen. You have to go for pin option, and after that the message will be pinned. And if you are using a mobile device, then you can press and hold the message and the same option will be appear like this, and you have to go for pin option and you'll be able to pin the message. So this is how you pin a message in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.